Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is my first video, just checking up on the 2023 Honda CRF 125F 23. We got it right off the showroom floor. First brand new bike ever. It's got some scrapes. Is it not that side? It's not that side. You can see some scrapes here on the old Honda, sadly. She's doing good. I first rode her in the winter in December. Gave her a bit of a cleaning, but I ride her around here. But for the 2 days to come, including today, can't ride her because I'm supposed to get in 2 full days of rain. See out here, it's not looking that great. Raining a bit. Got the cabin there. So yeah, we got the 2 stone wheels, the one at the back right there, and then this one. My uncle drives the yellow one at the back there. So this is my black one here. We're thinking about selling them right now. This is my helmet. Got the John Deere lawnmower that's not running well. So this is my Mastercraft toolbox with the beach top. Took a bit of hammering to get that down. This is my work area. We got my Hot Wheels in here for repairing, customizing. My latest one is this right here. It's a Ford, a 1999 Mattel Matchbox. And so yeah, and then we're gonna see if we can repair this here. The problem with this truck, we have a part. It's a Matchbox, like I said, is we're kind of took it apart because one of these spots are not looking great. It's bending the old wheels. Those are new wheels. Thanks to this truck for donating its wheels. Took a bit. And then we have the first Fast and Furious movie, Jesse's car. I got that at a garage sale a while ago. My 2 skateboards. This skateboard here we put longboard wheels on. This is my first skateboard here. It's got a Harley Davidson motorcycle on it. My BMX bike, this gray one. This is kind of the project bike. I had set to like these Hot Wheel things. I collect. Maybe next video I might show the Hot Wheels. So I got this bike free. This is a new seat we put on it. We need new handle grips. So yeah, I got 2 mountain bikes. This one here has a front flat tire that's flat. We got 2 spare tires there. We got my lawnmower we bought for $20 at a garage sale. My uncle's RC planes up there that you can get working, but yeah, and then our wood splitter, the tricycle right there that is in need for repair. We got my scooter. So yeah, more about the planes. These are actually years old. I just graduated from elementary school going into grade 9. So yeah, this is our ATV. Can-Am, my uncle's helmet there. So yeah, he has tons of vintage things on the walls. His tools. Brand new barbecue that just in case. A saw. We got tires for winter tires. I can't forget about my BMX bike helmet. So yeah, like this is where you'll see most of the work going on. I've cleaned up the rims on this bike. We already have a dent on this side. I don't know if you can see it right there, but I've already dented the bottom plate, which it's gonna get dented anyway. I just got this add-on Honda because I love the Hondas. I have it facing this way toward me, so that right there will show other people. So yeah, got my little chair here. So yeah, this is my side of the garage. My uncle has that side. So yeah. Yeah, so that's what goes on around here basically. We got extra little tubes in here. We put extra caps in here for the dirt bike and the bicycles. I have a plug for the exhaust pipe there, but it's not in right now. We got all my tools here. And then this is where I keep all my favorite tools in here. Yes, a paintbrush for brushing off the wheels. Down here is just a bunch of junk. I don't know if you can see all that. So that right there is a spring to a junk bike. We got. I can show you that. If you can see, it's raining right now. So yeah, so the junk bike is right there. We got the back off it with the trailer back there. So yeah, this is the first video. Thank you very much for staying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you subscribe, please. This is my first time YouTubing, so see ya. Peace.